Hi, I'm Preeti Chaudhary. I take care of training and placement for TSSM Bivrabai Savant College of Engineering and Research. The institute was established in 2010. The institute is approved by AICT and is affiliated to Savitribai Phule, Pune University. The institute is a technical institute which offers UG and PG courses in engineering. We have 5 departments: civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer and ENTZ engineering. Our institute is popular among engineering aspirants for its good academic records with the creation of rank holders. We have centralized placement cell for all the colleges. We are a big group of 7 engineering colleges in Pune. So in my last video, I have already discussed about the technical training. It is very essential to have a good placement. So apart from the technical skills, there are other skills which are required, like the internship. Internship is very important. You get the hands-on experience which is very useful to have the campus placement. So I would like to discuss about the internship today. An internship is a short-term work experience offered by companies and other organizations for people, usually students, to get some entry-level exposure to a particular industry or field. Because when you learn engineering, whatever you learn is all the theoretical knowledge. So the practical knowledge is also very essential, which is required to learn. So the internship provides you that platform to have the practical experience. It is as much of a learning experience as it is a work. Ideally, interns spend their time working on relevant projects, learning about the field, making industry connections, and developing both hard and soft skills. Internships sometimes even lead to full-time job offers. As in my last video I told you, these technical skills are also called as hard skills. With internship, you learn both hard skills and soft skills, which are required for the campus placement. So summer internships are typically 40 hours a week over 10 to 12 weeks. So why do you think these internships are important? Internships are very important. So as an intern, you get a chance to work side by side with industry professionals and get a pretty good idea of what an entry level role might give you. And you will not only gain real work experience but also meet and learn from the professionals. It's often difficult to know where to even start when it comes to job searching. So internships give you the chance to try a few things out without committing. If you are lucky, you will find something you love, and if you not, you will at least know what doesn't work for you. So anyways, this experience will help you finding a good job, your dream job. So this will never go waste. So this experience will help you in your future. So internships are more common. Employers expect to see them on resumes. Applicants with previous work experience are much more competitive than those only have relevant coursework. Internships offer you the chance to not just build relevant skills and learn about the field, but to demonstrate those skills and industry on the job. Companies also use internships as talent pipelines to fill their own full-time positions. For employers, internships are a super extended interview, a training program, and a smart way to hire for open role. This means some college students can walk into their senior years with job offers in hand. I mean to say is, if you go for any interview, within half an hour, interview cannot understand what skills you have, how you can perform in the industry. So the internship can give you the platform where you can learn, you can perform, and the interviewer can see how you can perform, what skills you are holding. So in short, internships can help you figure out what you want to do with your career and then make it easier to find your first full-time job in that industry. So there are 3 ways to find the internship, because internships also you don't get it like anywhere you go to the companies and you get it. So there are ways how to find out the internship opportunities. Now that you know what an internship is, you might be wondering how you go about finding one, right? So here are the 3 ways to find internship opportunities. The first one is use campus resources. So you have a training and placement dedicated cell in the college which provides you the internship opportunities. Make use of that. So as a student, your placement cells guide you how to attend career fairs and take part in on-campus recruiting. These employers are specifically looking for students from campus placement. The second one is go online. So there are many resources online, there are online tools as well. Searching online can be really overwhelming, so it's best to go into an idea of what you are looking for. The third way, looking at your favorite organization. I understand that you must be having your dream companies you want to work with. So everyone has a couple of dream companies. Go directly to your target company's website and see what kind of internship programs and opportunities it offers. If you find one that might be good, apply for it. And some of the tips how to find those internship, to get those internship as an opportunity. First of all, start looking early. As soon as you start looking out early, you may get the good internship opportunity. And the second one is get your resume and cover letter in shape. What I mean to say is you should always have your resume ready, where you should mention all your academics related information, your personal details, the projects you have done should mention in your resume, so that employer can understand what you have experience on and what skills you have learnt. And a cover letter is very mandatory apart from your resume, because what opportunity you are looking out for, you should always mention in your cover letter. And the third thing is prepare for those interviews. You should not directly just apply for those internship. You need to also prepare for those internship by, as I said, the technical skills are required, soft skills are required, how to appear for the interview, how you have to perform in your interview. The fourth one is use your network. This is the most essential. You have your relatives, your friends, any of the people are working with certain organization, you can take the help of those people and try to use your network to get this internship. So this was all about the internship. I hope you understood how the internship works and how you get the opportunity. So you should always use this platform from the training and placement cell and have this experience before you get the campus placement. Thank you.